If you've been waiting for the right time to start a Shopify store, this deal makes it one of the cheapest times to begin. Right now, Shopify is offering a special promo where you can start for free and then pay just $1 per month for the first 3 months on select plans. So instead of paying full price immediately, you can launch your store, test products, customize your site, and start learning the platform for almost nothing. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get the Shopify coupon code deal step by step, how the offer works, and what you should do before the promo expires. Let's jump in. First, go down to the description below and click the Shopify discount link I provided. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission if you decide to sign up through it at no extra cost to you. You still get the best available pricing. Once you click the link, you'll arrive on the Shopify promotional sign up page. You should see the option to start for free. Go ahead and click that button. Next, Shopify will ask you a few quick setup questions. These can include things like whether you're already selling products, what you plan to sell, and where you plan to sell. You can answer these questions or skip them if you want. You can answer these quickly or skip some. Once your account is created, you'll enter your Shopify dashboard. This is where you can build and manage your online store. During your free trial, I recommend focusing on these important things. Choose a theme for your store, upload your logo, create your product pages, set up your navigation menus, customize your homepage, install useful apps, and learn where everything is inside the dashboard. This way, you're making the most of the free period before your paid plan begins. Now let's talk about the $1 per month for 3 months part of the deal. Once your free trial ends, Shopify should offer you the chance to continue for just $1 per month for the next 3 months on eligible plans. That means you get extra time to keep building, testing, and growing your business at a super low cost. This is especially helpful if you're trying to launch on a budget. Now, when it's time to choose a plan, Shopify may show several options depending on your region and current offers. For most beginners, the basic starter level plan is usually enough to begin with. You can always upgrade later once sales start coming in or you need more advanced features. And one of the best parts about Shopify is that upgrading later is easy. So who should use this deal? This is great for beginners starting their first store, people testing dropshipping products, small brands launching online, creators selling digital products, and anyone who wants to learn e-commerce without spending a lot upfront. If you've been thinking about starting, this is one of the lowest risk ways to do it. So if you want to claim the Shopify free trial plus $1 per month for 3 months deal, check the link in the description below while it's still available. And if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify tips, deals, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.